Hi, it's me, Little Belly Monster. Mama Belly just got back from the market. She always picks up something yummy and healthy to eat. Want to see what she brought?
Hey Little Belly Monster. Today I've got something special for us to try, and it even comes in different colors. Let's look inside the shopping bag. Do you know what this is? This is one of many types of bell peppers. One really cool thing about bell peppers is they come in different colors, but they all start out green just like this. This one actually is called a green pepper. But if you buy bell peppers after they've ripened longer, the colors are different and the taste gets even sweeter. Guess what a green pepper becomes? A yellow pepper. And then a yellow pepper, that becomes an orange pepper. And when it's as ripe can be, an orange pepper becomes a red pepper. All of these peppers are crunchy if you eat them raw and softer when you cook them.
Yummy, yummy, yummy! Can we eat them now?
Patience, Little Belly Monster. We can't just bite into them like this. Let's take a closer look. The peppers all look the same inside, so we'll start with this red one. Once we cut it in half, you'll see some seeds. We don't eat those, so we take them out. Then we trim these extra little ribs on the side because they can get bitter. Now the peppers are ready for however we want to eat or cook them. If we leave them like this, they make great little bowls for stuffing things inside, like meat, rice, or cheese. Or we can cut them into strips, like this. Or we can dice them like this. Then we can put these on pizzas or in pastas or sauces and salads. There are so many delicious ways to eat them. But for today, we're just going to have them in strips and snack on them raw. We can eat them on their own or put them in our favorite dip, like hummus.
Thanks for the snack, Mama. It looks delicious. It tasted delicious too. What are we gonna eat next?
If you like learning about nutritious and delicious foods, like this video and subscribe.
Eat with you again soon!